If you're at these college protests, then make sure you know your legal rights. First, keep the camera on. You have the right to record what is happening to you, and this can be essential evidence in getting both a case potentially dismissed against you and or going after the police department or the military or the feds in a civil suit afterwards, which we'll talk about later, for financial damages for what happened to you. Second, you have a constitutional right to remain silent, and you have a constitutional right to an attorney. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed to you. So if you get arrested, keep your mouth shut. Once you have an attorney that is on your case, they will advise you on what is okay to answer, what is okay to speak on, and what isn't. But before then, zip it. In the course of being arrested, these rights, aka the Miranda rights, must be read to you. And if they are not, take that mental note and tell your lawyer immediately upon meeting them that they didn't read you these rights. If you do end up in jail, then ask for a phone call. Many states provide by law that you are entitled to a phone call if you are arrested. Use the phone call to contact family or friends for help, or a lawyer if you know one. And lastly, and this is important, if you're arrested as part of a bigger group, then everybody in that group needs to trade contact information and stay in touch and tell each other about what happened to each of you. Because in the event that all of you as a group, or even one of you, was subject to unlawful violence or your rights were violated, then you may be able to, after all of this is settled and you're out of jail, get an attorney and file a civil suit against the police department or the government agency that arrested you and obtain a financial settlement. Now, of course, this won't make up for the wrongs that are happening to you, but part of fighting back against injustices like this is financial and is using the civil system for your benefit. So take down the contacts of other people who are arrested, take down as much evidence as you possibly can, use your phone if you are allowed to write down things that have happened to you, take that footage, and be safe.